Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro haka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan so po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas cam bat bidor.
Kum shibenta ka Jingïakop ya ka tamasa Cherry Blossom ka Rotary Club of Shillong. Ha ringkat ka Jingïakop bat ka Directorate of Information and Public Relation ka Sarkar Jila menta ka kenti ka penbena ban pelong da ka Jingïakop Shondur ni ka photography competition. Halor ka phang Meghalaya Pride Cherry Blossom ka balong ru kum shibenta ban kintiw ya ki kam jengok kai perthai ha ka Jila Meghalaya borok kawai. Ka President jong ka Rotary Club of Shillong ka Mrs. A. Paul habai ekran bakila pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club klayat ho ba hakini ka Jingïakop ba klembu erta nak benta kino shimenta ka kusnam ya kibayora ya kanam ladu kalong da ka song pisa ka baar pesan hajar tengka kat bana ka benta kibajob ya ka kerdan ka baar ka kusnam kan long khatsan hajar tengka bat chipo hajar tengka nak benta kibawan balai bat nalor kini kindan pat sa sandali kusnam bairneng kiba marsan hajar tengka marwe ka tarik bakhadu panpha ya kidur syakni ka Jingïakop kan long hadu ka arpulai tarik unok pra arajar arpau bat kino ishimenta kin hak panpha link ba ka email cherryblossom@gmail.com kat kum ka Jingïakop jongani ka President ka Rotary Club of Shillong ka kunhun kinong bishar kilong nakari India bat nakari Canada ya kidur bakin sai jong kilai ngot kiladu ka Rotary Club of Shillong kan sapha ru kum ka Jingïakop ha syaka office jong menteri rang ba do kari India.
Our endeavor is to create a tiny footprint as a location, Meghalaya, known for its cherry blossoms, and also to promote the state as a tourist destination, to see, feel and smell the nature's bounty of a cherry blossoms. The first prize is 25,000, second prize is 15,000, third prize is 10,000, which will be followed with 5 consolation prizes of 5,000 each. And we will have independent judges of India and Canada who will be judging the entries.
Cherry blossoms, for your information, started only in 1980 in Shillong. Before that, it's not native of Shillong. It was not there in Shillong. It was started in 1980s by the then Secretary of Forest, Mr. T. Arnock. And then the birds helped us and it has spread. And today you see cherry blossom. It's become a wonderful thing. A small beginning. And today people from all over India come to see it also. And photographers to come and join this participation so that they come and see, because it's open to everybody. Anybody from anywhere, they can come and take photographs and join this competition.
I mean, all formats in a sense, still pictures, DSLRs, cell cameras, whatever. And the mode of actually submitting is online, where photographs along with the submission, copy of the submission form is to be scanned and emailed to the address we have provided. That's what. And this is the last date of submission is 23rd of December, and after that, within the next 3 days, we'll be having the evaluation of all the different photographs, and we'll be giving out the names of the prize winners after that.
And we have been doing a lot of work for the people of Shillong, like we are giving. We are just much ahead of the time. We presented or donated medical equipments long time back in, at that time it was called Roberts Hospital endoscopy, which was unheard of at that time.